Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix photo app not working on iPhone. So guys, fix this problem. So I will request to my all friends, all brothers, all viewers, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. So let's go for solution this video. So first of all, you have disable low data mode. So fix this issue. How can I fix? So you have go to the setting and then you have click on Wi-Fi and then you have Wi-Fi connected and then you have low data mode is disabled. Okay, I have already disabled. Description that under low data mode helps reduce your iPhone data usage over your mobile network or a specific Wi-Fi network you select. When low data mode is turned on, automatic update and background tasks such as photos scenic are used. So fix this and then your problem fix. And then other solution, you have reset network setting and then you have again open the setting and then click on general, scroll up, then you click on transfer or reset, then you click on reset network setting. Do not lose any data, photos or videos, only reset network setting and then your problem will be fixed. If other solution, you have update iOS new version on your iPhone. So again open the setting, click on general, software update. So you have must be software update on your iPhone. Then other factory reset your iPhone. So how can I factory reset iPhone? So fix this problem, you have again open the setting and then click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you erase all content and setting. You have must be then apps and data will be copy on USB on card on any mobile. You have lose all data, erase this iPhone and then you have given some steps and then your problem will be fixed and then uh, your problem will be fixed and 100% working on your iPhone. Then hopefully after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.